On the occasion of the Goa's 52nd Liberation Day on Thursday, the main state-level function was held at the parade ground Kampal in Panjim, where Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar unfurled the national flag. The Chief Minister later had a review of the parade and took the salute and later addressed the people of the state. He also presented awards to those who have excelled in different fields. Various cultural programs were held at the parade ground to mark the day.
त्यांच्या प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रमात जावासा आर्मी बायलांची पोलीस ब्रिगेड दुसरी प्लेटून जावासा इंडियन रिझर्व बटालियन क्रिएशन टीम पुढे सरकार श्री मयूर मांडेकर PSI आयआरबीच्या मुख्य विद्वानांनी शिस्तबद्ध संचलन केले. NCC आर्मी टीम विद्यार्थ्यांची
एकूण 3,500 कोटीचा आर्थिक फटको गेल्या 18 महिन्यान गोंयाक बसलेलो आसा. तरी सुद्धा गेल्या वर्सा भितर ही तूट मोठ्या प्रमाणाचेर भरून काडपाक आमकां यश आयला आनी म्हणून विकासाची कामां पुराय ताकीन आमी सुरू दवरल्यात. राष्ट्रीय खेळा सर्तीची मोख नजरे मुखार दवरून लुसोफोन ह्या खेळांची तयारी सध्या नेटान सुरू आसा. सरकारा खातीर सवाय दरेन पेट्रोल उपलब्ध करून दिवपी गोंय हे देशांतले एकमेव राज्य थारला. कालवी हळदोणो पूल येरादारा खातीर उक्तो जाला आनी वेळसाव दांडो आनी गवंडाळी कुमारजुवे हे पूल पूर्णत्वा कडेन आसा. केरी तिराकोल तुयें कामुर्ली आमोणा विर्डी चोडण सालबादर दमून बेती पणजी राशोल शिरोडा हे पूल येणाऱ्या काळान लोकांक 2 गांवांक जोडपाक म्हत्वाचो दुवो थारतले. जाल्यार गोंयकारांनी पॉझिटिव्ह थिंकींग दवरपाची आवश्यकता नितांत म्हाका आयज जाणवता. आयच्या ह्या मुक्ती दिसा निमतान गोंयची उदरगत नेटान जावची ह्या नदरेन म्हज्या सरकाराचे प्रयत्न आसतले. मात त्यासाठी तुमचे सगळ्यांचे पुराय सहकार्य म्हाका जाय ते तुमी दितले अशी आयच्या दिसा हांव अपेक्षा बाळगता. जय हिंद, जय गोमंतक.
Liberation Day celebrations were held also at Pernem, with many school children participating in the march past. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar unfurled the tricolour at Mandram on the occasion of Liberation Day.
आम्ही स्वतंत्र झाले म्हणून विविध क्षेत्रात आमच्याच भितरले अनेक विद्यार्थी चमकताना आम्ही पळयतात. एसएससी 12वे पहिले दुसरे तिसरे मेरिटां देणारे तर विद्यार्थी आसातच.
In Margao, the Liberation Day was marked at the district headquarters. Present on the occasion were Labour Minister Abarteno Furtado, South Goa Collector N.D. Agarwal, Benaulim MLA Caetano Silva, Wellim MLA Benjamin Silva, South Goa Superintendent of Police Shekhar Prabhu Desai, freedom fighters and others. Many schools from South Goa also participated in the program. In his speech, the Labour Minister appreciated the efforts put in by the freedom fighters to liberate Goa from foreign rule.
52 years back, where our beautiful state was liberated from the foreign rule. Liberation Day is the most suitable occasion for all of us to pay our tributes and homage to all those fearless sons and daughters of our motherland, who with determination and selflessly struggle and sacrifice the uttermost for the noble cause of Goa's liberation.
The All Goa Employees Union staged a protest in front of the collector's office and shouted slogans against the South Goa collector, demanding his ouster.
Government आज सगळ्या लेबर मिनिस्टर, मागीर रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर, डेप्युटी सीएम हांचे सगळ्यांकडे आमची भासाभास जाली आणि तेणे आमकां एश्युरन्स दिलें की ताका बेगोबेग काडटा म्हणून. पूण आज लेगीत आज काडटा, फाल्यां ऑर्डर येतली, इन्स्टंट ऑर्डर येतली, एनी टायम इन द ट्रांसीट आसतली, मंडे काडटा अशें करून आमकां तेणे सांगलें. Yesterday evening also we have tried to.
Meanwhile, Liberation Day was also celebrated at Puttebad grounds at Vasco, with Prime Minister Milind Nayak unfurling the national flag.
स्कूलाचे स्टुडंट सगळे भुरग्या त्यांच्याकडे माझ्या एक मागण्या की असल्या कार्यक्रमाक जेणे करून आम्ही आमची देशभक्तीपणा दाखयता आणि आम्ही देशभक्त म्हणून आमच्या काळजांतून आनी एक उर्बा वाडटा.
Liberation Day was also celebrated at Kranti Maidan in Ponda with PWD Minister Ramakrishnan Dhavlikar unfurling the national flag. Liberation Day was observed by the management and staff of the Goa State Cooperative Bank Limited at its head office in Panjim. Chief guest on the occasion was architect Umesh Shirodkar, who hoisted the national flag in the presence of Director Krishna Kundaikar, Managing Director, Head of the departments and others.
Today is a day that we should remember those who have lost life for the liberation of Goa. Some of the people have ruined their family, therefore we should salute them. And because of them, today we have got a liberation, freedom and free life for the development of our own Goa.
Rotary Club of Panjim along with Faber Castle Limited organized a child art competition at Children's Park Kampal, Panjim to mark the Liberation Day. The child art competition was held in 3 categories of children below 5 years of any topic, 5 to 9 years on cartoon character, and for children of 10 to 15 years on famous place of Goa or a monument. More than 500 children participated in the competition.
We have told the children to express whatever their mindset is all about. Then from 6 to 10 they have to draw a cartoon character, and from 11 to 15 they draw a monument or any famous place in Goa.